I have been working remotely for years now, and I bet you there are more types of remote jobs than you can think of. And for a lot of them, you don't need prior experience. Hi, I'm Arin, and I've been working remotely for 6 years now. And the number one question I see all the time is, how do I find this type of jobs? So for those of you who are interested in a remote work lifestyle, maybe living in a different countries while working, or maybe you'd like to stay exactly where you are, but you'd like to have the comfort of working from your own home. So this video is for you. And today I'm going to share with you my best tips and tricks, whether you already have some work experience or you're just starting out. If you appreciate this type of content, gently tap that like button and let's get into it. All right, our first tip for the day: soft skills are worth more than you think. Most people think they need certifications to get hired remotely. No, they don't. What remote companies actually care about: communication, time management, and self discipline. The ability to figure things out without someone standing over your shoulder. I mean, think about it. If you ever managed a project at work, solved a problem on your own, or kept yourself organized without a boss hovering, you already have what they're looking for. Hard skills can be taught in few weeks. This can't. So before you think you're not qualified, write down 3 times that you have solved a problem on your own, communicated clearly, or managed your own time. That's your proof right there. Which leads us to our next tip: learn one skill that pays remotely. If you want to speed this up, learn one high demand. I'm not saying go get a degree. I'm saying pick one thing: digital marketing, data analysis, UX design, copywriting, or even basic coding. And by the way, with AI tools like Cloud Code, you can literally code right now with zero experience. And I'm telling you, it's a game changer. I've been doing that for a while now. These are the skills that remote companies are looking for right now. And most of them you can learn in just a few months online for a fraction of what college costs. And if you go to digital marketing route, there are platforms like Go High Level that let you run an entire marketing business from just your laptop. We're talking about client management, funnel designs, email. It's an all-in-one tool that if you're able to learn this, you have a high success of getting hired. And I've been using this myself for a very long time now. I'll drop the link in the description below if you want to check it out. It's going to give you 14 days to learn Go High Level for free. So the math is simple. A $200 course that helps you land a $50,000 remote job is the best investment you'll ever make. And you don't need to master it. You just need to know enough to be dangerous. Which leads us to our next tip: you can go remote without changing careers. And this is the part that nobody talks about. Remote companies need the same roles as regular companies. We're talking about customer service, HR, account management, project coordination. And if you're already doing any of these jobs in an office, there's a remote company that needs the exact same thing. You don't need to become a developer. You don't need to learn to code. You just need to find a company that does what your current company does, but just remotely. The skills are the same. It's just that the location changes. So where do you actually find this type of jobs? This leads us to our next tip. Stop using Indeed. Use this instead. Here's the mistake most people make. They go to Indeed or LinkedIn and type remote and get buried under 10,000 results, half of which aren't actually remote. Use job boards that are specifically made for remote jobs. Go to sites like We Work Remotely, Remote OK, Flex Jobs, or Remotive. These sites only list remote positions. The quality is higher and the competition is lower. And the companies posting there are actually set up for remote workers, not just temporary work from home. I'll drop the links in the pinned comment and description below so you can check them out. But here's the thing: Even with the right job boards, there's one thing that matters more than your resume, and that is your personality is your cheat code. This sounds soft, but it's not. Remote teams are small. Culture matters more when everyone's behind their screen. So companies hire for personality just as much as skill. I've seen people with perfect resume get passed over because they gave robot answers in the interview. And I've seen people with less experience get hired because they showed energy and genuine desire to learn. So when you apply, don't be a template, be a person. Show them who you are. Tell them why their company excites you. That personal touch is what separates you from the 200 other applicants who copy pasted the same cover letter and have AI do it. Which this leads us to the most important tip. Apply before you are. You'll never feel 100% ready, but apply anyway. If you meet 60% of the job requirements, apply. If the company you love isn't hiring for the role that you're looking for, email them anyway. If the listing says senior and you're a beginner, shoot your shot. The worst thing that could happen? They'll say no. And you're exactly where you started. But here's what most people don't realize. Companies are always looking for the right person, not the right resume. If you show initiative and personality, they'll remember you, even if the timing isn't right today. You only miss 100% of the jobs you don't apply to. So that's it. 6 real ways to land a remote job, even if you have zero experience. Just a quick recap. Lead with your soft skills. Learn one marketable skill. Look for the remote versions of the job that you already know. Use the right job boards. Let your personality do the heavy lifting. And last but not the least, apply before you are ready. Check the description in the pinned comment below for links to every job board I mentioned. And if you find this helpful, subscribe. And I'm going to keep making videos like this to give you real strategies for building a remote career and making money online. And I'll see you on the next one.